y'all an update. Getting totally snowed in. Don't know what more proof you want. Here you go. You're seeing it live on location. The forecast is 70, sunny and 70. The high today is going to be 79, warm and breezy. Make sure you wear your sunblock. Drink plenty of water. P.S. Shitter's full, Clark. I can tell you what the forecast is. It don't look like there's gonna be any work on Monday or Tuesday or probably Wednesday or Thursday or probably even Friday. Uh-oh. Filming live on location. Here we are. Oh no. Here we go. Sully. Whee! Cold out here, fellas, ladies and gents. All right, y'all don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Anybody else got to dig out their fire pit? All right, it's so cold here. I don't even know how cold it is, like 2 degrees. All right, I'll see y'all later. Stay warm. Whew. All right. Man, we're going to get a fire going here in a minute. I'll be back with you in a minute. Just don't go nowhere. I know how them Russians feel over in Siberia now. Ooh, man. It's so cold out here. We got to go out here and check on these chickens. Man, it's like frozen Antarctica around here. Blue skies. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know the rest of it. Ooh, let me go check my garage. The door done about blew off here. Wind's blowing. All right, everything looks frozen in here. Oh, we got some new neighbors. And you know what? They're the new people on the block, and we welcome everybody to the neighborhood. But you know what? If I ain't mistaken, they're the new people on the block, and they got a tractor. And I was outside shoveling around my truck. And what'd he do? He pulled up. He didn't even introduce himself. He got out and he walks up to me and he says, "Would you like me to shovel your driveway for $35? And I went, doink. I appreciate it, but I don't think so. And he looked at me and said, okay. And he got on his tractor and he drove off. And I thought to myself, man, you know what? We're snowed in, froze in, and you got a tractor and you're the new guy on the block, and guess what you do? You drive up and down the street to your new neighbors, people that's in need, and you offer to shovel them out. for $35. Just my opinion. I mean, everybody's got to earn a living. I get it, but I thought we were all about helping your neighbor, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay warm, because it's supposed to be like -20 here. And I'm cold. I ain't got my heater coat on. My battery's in the house charging up. So, all right, y'all stay warm, and I'll see y'all on the next one. See ya.
Take a freight train down at the station hall. I don't care where.
Cold and quiet.
Gonna climb me a mountain.
It's so cold out here, the wind chill's like -2. That's why I look like a Russian fighter pilot. So I had to go in and get all extra suited up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all stay warm out there. See ya.